He's put for you.
Oh, that's trash in the background. GG,
oh my god,
bro.
you're so good.
Oh my gosh.
One left.
Vesby, you just
Vesby,
Vesby, you just absolutely.
I'm sorry.
If you guys win this game, you guys win everything. Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Flashy back with another video. Y'all, legit, my backdrop fell like 10 seconds ago before recording. But that's not gonna stop me from making this video. Listen, y'all, today we got two of the best KNG grinders to 2v2 box fight. Two of the best OA grinders, guys. We got Vesby and we got GG Knight, guys. And the OA grinders are gonna be OA Frosty and apparently his duo, we don't know yet. He's still looking for one, but it's gonna be an OA grinder. So when you guys are watching the video throughout, you guys, I'm sure, will know the other person. It's another OA grinder, and yeah, we're gonna see who comes on top. You know who's gonna come on top? KNG grinders, OA grinders. We finna see who's gonna win. So I don't know who's gonna win. Both teams are good. I feel like KNG's gonna win though, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. To the video.
My walls.
You're alone.
I'm boxed.
I'm mine you up. You're up.
Dead.
Oh, dang.
Cash. Literally no earnings. You're literally orphan water.
Oh.
Be quiet. You're literally so free.
Oh.
0 PR. This is why you grind for OA, because you'll never get into Kungarna.
Oh. Wow.
I can't even build. This is awkward.
Oh. Guys, is this the new milk? Is
You
this
just
the
got
new
your shit
piece
rocked by a
control Kyle?
GFX designer.
Is this
That's a little
right?
awkward.
Oh.
Don't get your shit rocked too. You're literally getting crapped on. I'm gonna build you a house just like your dad never built you. Oh shit, never mind. You're gonna build me. Oh my god, he just built me a house. I know, Matt.
Chad, he's talking all that, bro. Oh my god.
You win these. You win these.
Vesby's
You're
on
so
EU
nice.
King. Can he prove himself that he's still good? He can still grind for KNG on NA. Can he prove
come on,
himself
we can't
right
get to him
now?
right now.
This is the chance, bro. Kungarna's watching.
500 mats.
I think.
Oh
Oh.
god.
I'm
Oh.
currently cringing of him trying to catch me in zone.
Oh god.
And my game's crashed again. I've just froze.
No.
Oh,
Vesby's
shit.
crashing.
Clutch
What's
of the century.
happening? What's happening? What's gonna happen?
He's probably running out of
Vesby,
mats,
bro.
to be honest.
I want to give him this opportunity
no
since
mats.
he was EU to prove himself. The two best OA grinders.
Nice.
The two. Oh, wow. There's no way.
That's awkward.
It's
I
no
fell.
Low ground,
I
you're
just
so
shot
free.
myself out.
Versus 7.
Look
Like
at you.
guys.
You're literally
you guys
wearing a
know how this
safari
goes.
skin. You've never been to the safari. You think you're an animal, but you're not. You're a
What
fucking
does
monkey.
GG
I
Knight
mean,
say?
a human. I mean, wait. Oh my god. Shit on. Oh my god. Literally so free. I wish you saw that firsthand. Oh my god. Literally so free.
I'm not
There's
gonna
no
be
way
taking
you grind
sides,
for
guys.
OA.
Even though I am a Kungarna
That's-
grinder,
I can't even do
I
anything.
feel like
I'm
it'd be
hyping at
rude
this
for me to take sides
115.
since I am the one hosting.
Pick
You
up him,
guys
pick
are
up
getting
him.
your shit rocked.
Pickaxe him.
Oh, they got pickaxe him. Oh, no. No. Oh.
I hit him 3 times.
Oh. He misses the shot. Box out. Fully beast.
Oh my god.
Give out,
Hey,
Diamond.
GG
You're
Knight,
throwing
get
the
out of
bread.
this.
You're throwing the bread, Knight.
Can
I'm
GG Knight
alive,
get out?
but I'm
He's
dead.
I'll
gonna
start
be able to get
pickaxing
out.
him
It
for the
looks
boys
like,
and you're about to
with
throw
a
the
nickel
bread.
spare. He needs to
Bitch.
pop that mini. He
Corvette,
needs to
Even though I'm
box
like
up, pop that
hardcore,
mini.
I'm
Nice.
not
Good place. He needs to put up
Oh,
their mid.
shit.
Nice. 25. Bro, the kid.
Don't get
up
chill
height.
on my
Bro,
GFX, buddy.
whoever this OA grinder is on height, he's doing good.
They can't even
He's
hear
on
us, you
height,
realize.
you know?
I know. Oh shit, I have to reload. GG.
Damn, this might be.
So he has no mats left.
Dang.
Literally, they're literally nibbling my cheese right now.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh. Oh.
It's the
Now we're
pause
second
that's
the
saying,
OA
bro.
grinder. Frosty right here. Oh, he has some good mechanics a little bit. We're gonna see if he's able to take height. Crack.
Oh shit!
They're all broken down. But sadly, he didn't go how Vesby was
One's
playing.
down.
One's up. I don't like this.
What's
I'm
this?
nervous.
Is Kungarna gonna lose? Or is OA gonna lose? Kungarna.
Oh, that's the kid that shit on every time. He's
Optical
nervous.
Ambition. Which one's gonna win? These are the
Oh my
grinders,
God.
y'all, not
I'm
the
nervous.
official teams. The grinders are
150.
right. Dead.
Nice.
Vesby in night. SMG spraying him. Quick dead.
Watch this.
Wow.
I had to call from this guy.
absolutely insane.
I have to pop. I have to pop. Chill, chill, chill.
I'm not even doing anything, don't worry. Watch.
I'm going up.
Just keep on editing for me.
Tagged him 26.
No, I'm gonna hold the charge. I've just edited. Just keep on getting me forward. Keep on getting me forward. I'm just gonna hold the charge. I'm just gonna hold the charge. Get me forward. Get me forward.
We're vibing. We're vibing. Cracked. 86. Pickaxe.
Oh, they're gonna pick us.
They have two good Kungarna, or I say Kungarna grinders. Fuck. They have two good OA grinders.
Dang.
Wait, why'd you say Kungarna?
No, I never said that. I never said that.
Oh, Vesby's fully boxed.
Nice.
Fully
God,
beast.
Vesby, you're
Oh,
selling.
I'm
You're
blanked,
literally
I'm
selling
blanked,
the
I'm blanked.
cheese.
I'm blank.
You're selling the cheese, bro.
GG night, GG
It's
night.
horrible, it's fine,
Can't
it's
even
got
make
no
a
fingers.
comeback.
You're
Mo-
selling the cheese.
Kungarna's
I mean, nothing
watching
against
this.
people that don't have any
Kungarna's
fingers,
watching
but
this.
you
Can he
know,
prove
the
to
mechanics are not the
Kungarna
right.
that GG Knight could 1v2?
Fox
Can
like
he hold his
fish.
own?
This
Can he
Fox one,
hold his
actually.
own?
Not gonna lie,
Oh.
I've kinda
Fully
underestimated
beast.
the
I know.
potential.
GG Knight was talking smack, bro.
Oh shit, you called me,
And
you
now it
bitch.
looks like
Flash, you muted by the way.
it's his turn.
Oh, I guess he knows.
I have 0 mats, Vesby,
Flip back,
please.
flip back to my box.
Oh.
170 is nothing, bro.
Oh! He's getting
Dude,
that
they
game.
are
He's
OAP
SMG.
90, man.
He's trying to take
143.
height. Is he gonna be able to?
I'm
Wow,
spraying
this is
one.
insane. Is he gonna charge? I think what he's gonna do is charge fully and then just jump down and try to hit something. Yup, like I
18.
said. Oh!
Dead.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh my
Other
god.
one,
Oh my god.
I said, one
Bessie,
HP, one HP.
One pumped him from all the way down
Spray,
there, guys.
spray.
Wow, he really tried what I said. I thought, hey, I thought
My
what I
name's
said actually worked.
KNGP90, boys.
Yo, Hyper, look at my screen share. It's on 1080p
I'm
right
looking,
now.
I'm looking.
You got nitro.
You want me to coast or cat?
I'm dropping.
Nice!
You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want.
Oh
You're
my
You're
not
selling
god.
my cheese, bro.
Yeah, you're basically just dead. Like,
Bro-
I hate to be that guy, but like, just pop your minis.
Oh,
dude, I'm
dead.
When you're 1 HP.
I'm
but-
dead,
Coach
dude.
Hyper is gonna be
Oh,
coaching
I'm
slash
shaking in my boots.
slash casting.
I'm
guys.
shaking in my boots,
This
man.
is crazy.
I'm
By the way, guys,
shaking in my boots.
Yes, well, you know,
Oh my god,
we
dude.
have to let them win at least like 5 rounds because we need Flashy to get the 10-minute.
Have you guys
So you get
taken a
the
round
ad
yet?
for 10 minutes. Yes.
How many?
3-2.
3-2? Okay. Good.
Yeah, basically, when you give them rounds so that the video lasts longer,
I
so
didn't build.
what you
Build
did.
it. Build out of wood here. Hold your metal for later. Ciao.
I can knock it out.
Just go straight. He's all at piece control there.
This is absolutely insane, y'all.
They're both on you. Let Vesby do his flank. Just keep him off him.
Like, I don't know how to talk.
What the
I just like listening to them.
And what's it connected
This is
to?
nice to listen to. Hey, matter of fact, for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna let
Both
y'all.
of
you
them.
just
I'm gonna let
killed
y'all
me.
go. Wow.
Yeah, well, you see, there's invisible balls everywhere.
Bro,
This
the back
bait?
and forth, bro.
Maybe.
I think I
100?
called no, I don't know.
Oh wait,
150.
Frosty guys.
So
Shout
yeah,
out to him.
super lit. One
Repping
shot.
27
27
shield.
HP.
40,
Wait,
150,
see?
150.
Alright, both on one shot. Both on one shot. Take your time. Not your piece control. Keep an SMG. SMG.
Ah!
SMG spray.
You didn't hear anything on my mic, pretty much, okay?
I drop
Drop
it.
down. There you go.
Simps.
Just keep
Oh,
pressure.
oh,
Okay,
oh,
now you
yeah.
guys are gonna just spray AR. Don't drop down like that. Just spray their AR and just waste all their bullets. Get all
Oh
the
my god,
bullets.
there's still
One's
someone
on height.
above.
One's on height. Just spray him out.
Cracked.
49 cracked.
He.
Oh.
Pop your mini. Pop your mini.
No. Oh, it's
Vesby,
Vesby.
don't
No,
jump in
Vesby.
the box.
Vesby
Jump
gets
in-
the kid.
good
Guys,
job.
you guys had to realize.
One left is above you
Vesby
guys.
is EU.
Nah,
And he's still holding his
Drop
Drop down
own,
and get, drop down
guys.
and get next to each other. Drop down and get next to each other.
I'm pre-firing, I'm pre-fire with AR.
Oh my gosh, drop down and get next to each other.
Knock that. Oh,
Pop
40
in.
damage. On the tank.
There you go. Not a lot of mats left for GG Knight, only 4 builds.
There you go, split.
He's
Give
split for you,
two.
he's split for you. On the
well,
other
that
side.
match
Coach
cracked.
in the background. GG,
Oh my god,
bro.
you're so good.
Coach.
You're good,
I
you're
might
good.
have to take his word for it, y'all.
There you go.
Box.
Box.
Cracked.
I'm right.
You're low. Take your time, take your time.
Nah, I'm
I don't know.
cringing, he's shooting me out.
Not sure
Even
why
though
you're
I'm
building out a metal right now, Knight.
Okay.
Early in the round, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Mike, it's looking at you.
Yeah. Just don't.
Dude.
You gotta build, bro. You gotta build. These players are they're just obviously just gonna like spray you whenever they can.
Cracked.
Cracked him.
Nice. That guy's lit. He's trying to break down. Pop a mini. You have a mini left?
I'm
Get up
getting
behind
up.
the Vesby.
Dropping your fish. Do that.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
One left.
Vesby, you just
It's low.
Vesby,
There you go.
Vesby, you just absolutely.
I'm sorry. Box. Get out. Just get up. Get up. There you go. Drop
I'm
down.
playing low ground. I'm just gonna play low ground.
If you need to build out a brick here, you can.
I'm so. Oh shit.
Oh, Vesby.
There you go.
Oh, Vesby smart. He didn't
So
shoot
at least
that
get at
one.
least
That
two minis
thought he
off.
was. Not gonna lie.
Vesby, try to win your 1v1 there, because I think this player's dropping down on him, so it's just a 1v1, both sides. He's the high ground on you.
I win my ones.
Try to break him down.
What is Vesey gonna do?
Vesey, if you can, put some pressure on this player.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I got
Yeah,
height on him. I
you
got
got
height on
height,
my
you got
kid.
My
I'm
mic
gonna
is too sprayed on you.
Yeah, spray up. Make sure you
18.
take height from you.
Your kid might be trying to chop you.
You
Yeah,
shoot
he is. Cracked.
100. 98. 2 HP. You still have SMG ammo? SMG ammo?
Dead.
There you go. One dead.
Nice.
There you go. The back
Team
and
flash.
what?
If you guys win this game,
Flash
you
the
guys
back
win
and what?
everything.
What?
Mine.
Nice.
Cracked. 130.
137.
Last round, y'all.
That's like some least beach type shit, bro. Holy
Is that a joke?
Wow.
I'm tight.
Wow. Oh, can GG
Yeah,
Knight cut
he
it?
did.
Can
He
GG
got
Knight?
box.
Just hold him.
I got 360 no
Can
scope.
GG Knight hold his own? Can he hold his
I'm
own?
dropping.
Yeah,
We're
just
gonna
drop,
see.
just drop. You have a ton of mats.
Can he
ton of
hold
mats.
his own?
Still have a shield.
I'm just gonna play this like a
Still
box
fish left.
fight.
You still you have a fish left.
You're hard,
Don't,
chilling.
don't build on wood.
Ready?
Don't build on wood.
Build. Yeah, nice.
Don't
There
die
you
to GFX that's down there, bro.
He's done. You can't hear, remember. Don't do full
Okay.
tops. You're wasting too much
He's
mats.
yeah. You're wasting a lot of mats while he's like barely using anything.
Yeah, that's all you need to do.
I think he's gonna have like more mats than you because he killed Besby.
Wow.
42, nice. Try to break down.
Wow, y'all, I'm getting
He
hot
was deep in
watching
zone.
this. Bro, I'm sweating from watching this, y'all.
It's a bit
is
more deep
crazy.
than that. He's just gonna connect to you.
He did.
Yeah.
Uh,
Just gonna keep holding hunger. Maybe drop all the way down and then just spray up.
25 builds. Yeah, just drop down, drop down. Drop down
down.
before you can.
Okay.
Drop down before you can. Right, let's spray up on him. What you doing? Spray your AR now.
It's in a shoot.
Make sure everything's reloaded. You need to reload SMG and AR.
12 builds.
Game point.
Put one more box in and then reload your SMG.
You need to reload SMG now.
The one there.
Reload SMG
Five
before you can.
builds. Spray up. 5 builds, 5 builds. He's wasting a lot of mats.
Go to the right
Keep
side,
going,
go to the
just
right
keep
side. You can pick one on the left. Well, you're right now.
2 minis, 2 minis.
He's gonna pick it. He's gonna
Try
jump
to
forward.
bait him out with that last shot. Nice.
I have
You
no
have no
mats.
mats?
Mats. You still have SMG ammo.
Pot mini. He's gonna jump down now, watch.
There you go.
And you got the back, nice.
Oh, he's
I'm
I'm
playing
genuinely
like this.
cringing.
Why is he playing like this, man?
Wow.
There you go. Yo! Why is he playing like
Wow.
that?
That's game.
GG boys, GG boys.
That's game.
GG guys.
That's game, guys. What will score? What will score? What will score?
7-4.
7-4, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, yo, Frosty. So GG's, bro. That was a wonderful 2v2. So do you have any
GG, my
socials you
guy.
want to shout out?
You lost to a GFX designer and a EU player.
I'm sorry, Frosty. Listen, Frosty. So do you have any socials you want to shout out?
I'll shout out my Twitch, HZ Frosty.
All right, bet. Y'all heard it there.
What
All right,
did you
nice
say?
video. GG's boys.
I mean my Twitter.
Yeah.
If I said Twitch, I meant Twitter.
Oh, Twitter, guys. Twitter. There we go.